Oh, it's rising a lot, yeah. Good day, gentlemen. I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby. Here, that's the LESU Hitachi ZX490 1 to 14 scale. Last time we just unboxed, take it out. Now I get it ready, prepared with Paladin EV light radio, and set up mix control for the pump and the curve for the arm bucket or hydraulic moving. Originally, this one coming from factory, only with the body, everything assembled, no radio, no receiver. So actually what you like, radio, receiver, you can choose. And also originally it's only with the lights on the arm cabin and also warning light on the cabin, rear side to warning light. If you like, we can add our customized sound system for you. Also smoking, because this one also got the chimney, so smoking can come out from the cover. Now we open it, turn around, let's see the details of this one. Let's put the cover back, rotation to see the body shape, wires. Slowly raising the big arm with mix control, speed up, rotation. And let's see the lights. That's on the arm here and on the cabin, also under the arm on the cylinder, lights. Sorry, this one. All off and circulating on. And for rotation lights, on the cabin have one, so three together one channel. Switching to on and switching for different rotation. Let's turn around. See the general structure of the upper body. Here we got the simulation GPS. So cabin door can be open. Here that's the power switch. Switching down, power off. Switching up, power on. And we got the screen. See the screen? It's showing the battery voltage and also the temperature. Let's moving the pump. You will see the current from the main power supply. So the temperature is from the oil tank. Cover it back. Top the protecting all steel one. The cabin is CNC one. So from forward, this protecting net, and here we got this light. Let's switch on again because I powered it off. This cover can be opened. It's empty inside, secured by magnet. Here that's the steel ladders. So from this side, steel handle, mirror. Mirror, it's not glass, yeah, it's a shining steel. And here, this side door can be open. That's the oil tank. So oil tank, oil level, middle of the oil tank, pressure gauge, the pressure adjusting valve. And you see from bottom of the oil tank, it's all coming here. That's the metal oil pipe. And here that's the filter, cooler, outside have fan. Inside you will see that's the Italian pump. So here, see the details, it's a steel net secured by screws. And outside we got this simulation of a real one. Beautiful with all the real actuator details. So now from this side, we can directly lift it up. We have the small handle here. After lift up, here this one push to the right side, it will be supporting it. So pushing back, you can put it down. Wires push in. So on top, all this handle simulation real one. Here this air filter is since alloy one. The cover is steel. Main part of the body, middle, that's steel laser cutting plate. Side door, they are since alloy. And here forward, this cover can be opened. only checking the battery. Actually, battery cannot put from there, but we lift up all the cover for putting battery. So here we have a hole there, on there. So later we can run it through the smoking hose coming out from the chimney. Turn around, you will see here, that's the chimney. It's an opening hole, so smoking coming out from here will be more cool. Lift up, support it, see the details. So for GPS, let's see. So the two GPS control yellow LED is controlled same by the white light from forward. So now circulating, switch it on. Switch on, now it's flashing. Also this side, left side is coming flashing from this hole. And switch it off, off. Circulating with white light. Now it's on. From this side, door also can open, alloy one. Here that's the electronics with fan, cooling fan. So cool down all the electronics after a long time running, sure it's not getting hot. And this door also can open. Here that's the steel plate and the leather handle. Here that's the board connecting for the screen inside the cabin. Under there, that's the brushed motor for rotation. Gearbox lying down, go to the middle of the body. For maintenance, here have the plate. This plate remove bottom, that's the pump, and the valve block. You can see all the pipe coming from valve block. 6 valve. So big arm, small arm, bucket, and 3 spare oil channel. Later will be one for quick connection pin, hydraulic quick connection, and one for rotation, one for cutting. Yeah, 3 spare oil channel, but here right side have one more. This one is for oil return line. Could be only return to oil tank, so could be used for the 360-degree turning oil return to oil tank. And if we turn around, from left side you will see it's only 3. So 3 pair, left and right spare oil channel. So you will see from the arm, also near the cylinder, they are all metal copper pipe with painting, and with the junction for bending these holes, also for other cylinder. Let's put the arm down. All this coming rear side of the big boom, go forward, and also here for the small arm cylinder. And let's drive it around. So later, as your request, if we put sound system, simulation track sound, real engine sound, hydraulic sound with smoking, it will be fantastic. Slow drive, all the chassis are CNC with steel track, steel wheels. Speed up, backward, spinning the other side, and let's raise the chassis to see the bottom. Now the pressure is around 3.5 MPa. Yeah, let's move forward a little bit more. Let's see to the dead end. Oh, it's rising a lot, yeah. Already rear side counterweight touching table, so it's not at the end yet. Big arm cylinder still can coming down a little bit. So from this angle, let's see, so we can press the idler forward wheel with spring for tension. So all these steel wheels secured by all these with small bolts, screws here. And this protecting here, we got this guider, this steel ladder, top, return roller. So all steel drive wheel with one round cover screws. So for maintenance, it would be easy to see the gears. From under the chassis, so it's one part, this bridge. If this cover open, we can see the slipper ring for rotation. And as rising a little bit, you will see here that's the shiny rotation ring inside. That's one big steel gear ring. Let's turn around and rising from left to see the chassis. Also, you will be able to see the drive wheel from bottom. Turn around a little bit more. So here that's the frame and with cover for drive wheel. So from this angle you can see the cover. So with one round screw, this cover removed, you will be able to see the drive motor, and from inside there will be more screws for securing the driving gearbox for remove for maintenance. It's well designed for easy reaching. Now with mix control the pump and the curve for the valve, let's see how this one can dig in. It's not so fast or also not so slow. Yeah, it's a medium speed. If you like to be more slow down or fast, we can increase the pump load or open more valve or close more. It's the curve you can control, yeah, for the speed. And how much speed for beginning and how fast for speed up. If you know the radio well, you all can set up from the curve for mixing the pump, for mixing the valve, how much open. That's a slow operation. Very smoothly going. Also you can slow it down or increase the hydraulic operation speed as how much you like for your experience, yeah, how like for the control. Let's see the all the way stretching out. Still have enough power with 3.5 ampere to lifting up all the weight. So for digging down, power is depending on the weight, also the hydraulic pressure. So meaning now the pressure is enough all the way. And bucket all the way back to see the angle. Slow down, arm back. Now if you're very slowly moving the bucket, it's just not scratching, yeah, with the small distance. That's all the way back. Moving the arm, bucket, rise to the top, slow down. That's the top angle, bucket down. Now rotation speed is around 60%. It's a lot of power. You can see it. It's turning the chassis. Reverse. That's quite a lot of power. For the low speed, it may be only around 30% when you turn it. So we already see all the details. Let's see the weight and the size. So track left to right is around 23 centimeter. And the track wide 4.2. Cabin height around 24.2. But the highest from cabin is from the warning light, yeah. That's around 26.5. Okay, align. And it's around 21. So, which mostly important for the passing ability, yeah. Rising a little bit. Spinning around to see the rear side. So here from the bottom of the body to the ground, that's actually 10.1. Exactly 10. We can see from here. So that's around 5.3. With the arm vertical, bucket flat on the ground, here the point is 42.5, almost 42.7. With the small arm completely back, bucket flat on the ground, from forward to rear side totally, you see, around 86. Let's move the arm all the way forward. That is almost maximum digging distance, yeah. Put it down. Tooth contact the ground. Let's see the length to most rear side of the body. That's around 109. From the tooth to forward with the track, it's around 62.5. With the arm completely up, the tooth height, it's around 77.5. So now it is painted, assembled by factory, and also already have other colors, so I will show you. So we hope we will get the kit parts, so we can paint it special for you. And also, for no matter we painting or factory ready, let me know which kind of radio and what kind of control, the settings you like. Let me know, I will get it done. And also available with different sound system and also smoking. Yeah, tell me, I will get it done for you. See you.